birthday to you one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sabay-sabay your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, basta! Ready to blow some sounds, some
Happy
sounds.
birthday.
Alright, bago ka mag-blow ng candle, bibilang kami ng 3 ha. At bago kami bumilang, baka may message ka. Andiyan si Dada at saka si Mamay. Baka may gusto ka sabihin.
Thank you.
Pa. Ayun lang, okay. Kaya ka lang namatay. Yes sir, pakibaba niyo ng konti para maganda sa picture.
7 ba?
At kahit 3 lang, okay na yung 3. Okay. Ready to blow! Basta! 1, 2, 3, blow!